Some verbs in English are standard and basic, but in this series, I'd like to show you some more advanced verbs to give your English some style. Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study unique verbs in English. To vibe. Sophie and Lisa are at a party. They're having fun and talking to a lot of people. Lisa, have you met anyone interesting yet? Not really. It seems like everyone is just talking about work. How about you? I met a couple of people, but I haven't really clicked with anyone. Yeah, it's kind of tough sometimes. But hey, we're still having a good time, right? Absolutely. Oh, look at that guy over there. He seems fun. Want to go introduce ourselves? Sure, why not? You never know. We might vibe with him. Let's give it a shot. Quiz time! What does to vibe mean? To argue? To connect with someone? To dance? To ignore? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. To connect with someone. Verb details. We often vibe with friends, vibe at parties, vibe with coworkers, vibe with new people, have a good vibe with someone. We can also say that a place, situation, or person gives you good vibes. What situations do you usually vibe well in? Who do you vibe with? Share it in the comments below. Examples. I vibe with my best friend so well. We can talk for hours. The vibe at the party was amazing. Everyone got along. She didn't really vibe with her new roommate, so she decided to move out. Yesterday, I vibed with a stranger at a coffee shop, and we ended up exchanging numbers. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. To click with someone. To connect in a natural way. It's kind of tough. It's kind of difficult. Give it a shot. Try it. Everyone got along. Everyone was friendly. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.